I don't want to focus. Gang, look who it is. Damn, look, you even look different, bro. You look old. You look like an old man. Damn, bro. Fuck the wall.
Look at this shit.
What we doing today, bro?
About to replace the CV axle. We'll try. See how this shit works.
The YouTube certified. What's good, gang? Welcome back to another video. We out here with 30. He's already in my pocket spot. The bitch is over there. The homie brought me some cracked chicken. Hold on, let me get this. Some cracked chicken. If you're from Lawrence, you already know what's crack-a-lackin'. Check it out. Oh, damn. Damn, te pasaste, bro. It's OD. Damn.
You think it has power to take it off?
What?
Right there?
That shit? Hell yeah, it does.
What's that one, yo?
Light work, bro. Oh, not that. Not that one. Salvage. Yeah, use the breaker bar. Panza, nigga. Want some, bro? Zoom in. Focus. Cracked chicken all day, you hurt. Yo, we got hours trying to take off this wheel. Don't come off. Yo, don't hit my fingers, bro.
This is pretty fucking wide, nigga.
Nah, fuck that. I'm gonna hit my fingers. Aye. Hold on. Go right there. You gotta be hitting my finger, bro. Ah! Rip to your wheel, my nigga. Jesus, finally. So you're putting this shit on, bro. I don't know how to do this. We're about to be YouTube certified again for... That's how we do it out here. You hurt? You gonna learn today with us. Because we don't know what we're doing. So this is a star. And we ain't got that. You got that? We don't got that. Already. First problem. Second problem, I mean. Our first trip to AutoZone.
And many more to come.
Facts. Yo, bro, here, bro. First trip, and we failed already, bro. We got three sockets, and none of them fit. Next one, bro. Now we gotta go to AutoZone. Time to return. $75 for 3 sockets. Ow, bro. Vámonos. AutoZone.
Bro, tell me now how the fucking 34 gets there, so it has to be a 36. I put the 38, way too big, nigga.
Well, the 34 is too small?
The 34, nigga, is like barely, like almost has it, but it's small. It needs to be like a 36.
Hey, yeah. Por fin. We got it, bro. Yo, how long we been here, bro?
Probably like 3 hours already.
3 hours, finally. Look at that. Hold on.
Woo!
Sácala.
Look how new that shit is.
Hey, yeah. Hold up. Damn! What the f, bro?
Yo. That shit was just...
Damn, take that shit out.
You need to go all the way in there to take it out.
What the hell?
Let me see if I can pull it up.
No fucking way. Damn, half of it came out.
You gotta get a flyer to take that out.
Hold on. Alright, so bro, how we take this shit out, bro?
So, you know, we learned. You take off the sway bar, you disconnect that first. You gotta disconnect the lower control arm. And whatever the fuck this is, you unplug this. And it should give you the whole rotation to be able to pull the axle out.
Fast, because we tried like 20,000 times, but we still had this shit connected.
And it wasn't going nowhere.
That shit didn't go anywhere. So once you take these 3 things off,
and loosen up the brake line.
Now we gotta take that shit out. Hey, damn, bro, perfect timing. Look at that sword, bro. There was no sun earlier. Damn, look at my fucking hands, bro.
4-6.
Bro, it's just bomb.
4-6. No me acuerdo que. Yo creo que son 4.
What happened, bro? Salvage. We can't get the inner part of the axle because your boy sucks. Victor, what can you do about this?
Yo no soy mecánico.
¿Cómo que no? You know the vibes? You know the death of you, bro. Finally, after like 3 hours. Now we're just gonna slide this one right in.
New one.
Por fin! We're done. We're done. We're done, so. How long it took, bro?
Yo, started like at 2. What time is it now?
¿Eh?
Va, va. Cenellín eso.
Coño.
Cenellín
¿Qué es eso?
Sweet potato.
Eso de...
Viagra. No. Otro pedón, ¿no? Espérate que manita grabando.
Yo, she's in the streets of Lawrence now. She got her license. She got her car. So be careful. I'm warning you now. She's out there. She's out there, bro. Watch out. Yo, high key, bro. These shits are bomb as fuck. You want some? No, on camera. Yo, my people, my people. Whoa. What are you making?
Pastelitos.
Pastelitos. At what time is it? Like 9 o'clock at night, bro. We're about to make some pastelitos real quick. So this is the end of the video, guys. Ooh. 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 You know, we get shit done. We get shit done out here, bro. We out here fixing Beamers now. There's levels to this young boy, you heard? But this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bro. Say it, say it, say it.
Hasta una vista, baby.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Bah! Hey, hey, hey. Watch out. But you heard. Hasta la vista, baby. You heard?
Hey,